In this video, in 4 minutes, I would like to share with you how to remove Toyota Echo factory radio and install the better one with the cool features like USB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, etc. This one I got from the local junkyard for $35.94 with a 90 days warranty. It came with a wiring harness and a bracket. You just need to find the Toyota from the pretty much the same year range, and it came with the front face bracket as well. Okay, turn your HVAC dials in one direction and pull them out. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, click the notification bell. Very appreciated that. As you can see, there's a two Phillips screws we have to remove to get access to the HVAC module behind. Alright, and screws are removed. Now pry the front console out. It will come out pretty easy. If you have to, you can use the plastic pry bar to assist and get it out faster. And if you have questions how to wire stereo to your car, I have another great video explaining in details what wires and where you need to find. Check it out. I will put a card up there and down in the description. And disconnect all electrical connectors from the HVAC unit. Alright, we disconnected those three, and now push the tabs in and pull that HVAC unit forward a bit to get access to the upper Phillips screws. Only two screws at the top. Remove those guys. Here we go. Pull the ashtray out to get access to another two Phillips screws on the bottom. Undo those ones as well. Alright, and pull that front facing panel around the stereo. Yeah, it all came out. This is a cigarette lighter socket on the bottom, and pull the factory Toyota Echo stereo out. Disconnect the antenna. Simple as that. And two more electrical connectors. Push the tab in and pull the connector out. See? Simple as that. Here you go, Toyota. That radio is fine, it was working, but you want to have more features. And you can use the factory radio bracket, but you just only will have that gap at the top, and mounting points for both stereos are the same. Anyway, let's check if it's all working. If not, I can bring it back and get it replaced. Alright, let's connect our connectors. You see wiring harness came with the multiple ones, but we only are using two of those. Connect your radio antenna, make sure radio works. Let's turn the key to the on position and check all functions. I checked everything. Everything works like it should, and here we go. Now we can continue our process and start putting all those components back in place. And yeah, this is a money saver, and as you can see, this bracket just right, and I'm using same marking spots from the screws previously installed on, and that way I know my stereo will be perfectly aligned and the front won't get crooked on an angle. Okay, now I'm attaching everything's back, putting those Phillips screws on the bottom. On the top I put it already. Let's put a face cover for the stereo. You can check how it looks before you start putting the rest of the panels. Make sure it's all flat and nice looking. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, critics, put it down in the comment section below. Alright, let's put our panel back. I wipe it, and see there's a button for AC, but there's a wiring harnesses there, but nothing. I'm planning to do entire video how to install AC system on a Toyota Echo. If you don't have one, I don't have it either. It will be cool to do it. Guys, everything's working. I'm so happy. Please watch more videos, support my YouTube channel that way. Bye bye.